Hey guys, I'm Ingrid and welcome back to ipinkit. I have a question for all of you today. Does it ever happen to you that you come back from a trip with lots of receipts or screens you've seen, fashion shows you attended, and you just ended up putting all of these receipts in a box hidden away? Well, I got a solution for all of you today. We're going to be doing an easy DIY to display all of our travel memories. Let me start by showing you the supplies we're going to be using today for our project. I got this frame that already comes with an acrylic sheet from the Dollar Tree store. I know it says out of the office, but we're going to go ahead and remove it with nail polish remover. We're also going to use a foam board. We're going to be using clothespins, also twine, and glitter paper that already comes with adhesive tape in the back. I also printed the letters of the cities and countries that will be displaying my travel memories. I got Greece, London, and Barcelona for today. I'm going to be using a cutting board. I did not get this from the Dollar Tree store, neither my craft knife, but this will be essential for us to be cutting the letters. And I went ahead and did the same for the other two frames that I got from the Dollar Tree store. Our next step will be to start painting our clothespins. Let's start cutting the letters. Let's continue cutting the glitter paper for the frames. Now that we cut our 12 pieces of glitter paper, we're gonna go ahead and place it on the frame. Now that we're done with our frames, let's start cutting the foam board. To make sure that the frame will not cover the background, we're going to use the back of the glitter sheets we already cut. Just place them in the background, that way you'll know where you're not supposed to glue anything. As you can see, we're going to start with London. Let's start placing the letters in the middle and on top. I don't want to glue anything until I'm sure where I want everything to stay. These two are from a fashion show, so I'm thinking that I might just put them together. Now that we're done gluing our letters, we're gonna start gluing all of our tickets. For this, we're going to need the hot glue and the twine. So we got our first shadow box. We're gonna go ahead and do the other two. Our shadow boxes are done. We got Greece, Barcelona, and London. However, as you can see, the sides are a little bit of a mess. So all we're gonna do is finish to cover them with our glitter sheets. We're just gonna put them in the side to make sure that all of this mess is covered. As you can see, we cover the sides and also the top, and this will be the final product. If you guys enjoyed my video and you would love to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also tune in next week for a brand new DIY project. Bye!